Alrighty. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Sacro K Magnum 05 here. Welcome to another hotel room tour. This time we're at the Holiday Inn LPGA here in Daytona Beach, Florida. And so, yes, I'm going to be doing another hotel room tour for you guys. So, anyways, let's get started, shall we? So, as you can see, we just walked in to the main entrance. And over to the right, as you walk in, there's this little closet here. See, there's my luggage right there. There's my backpack. There's Joseph's luggage and clothes bag. And up there we got some hangers, and we have a top shelf up there. Got ironing board and a iron. And over here we have a small Avanti mini-sized fridge, as you can see. Over here we have a coffee maker. Got some coffee, cream, sugar. Over here's the ice bucket. Up here's an Avanti microwave. There's the light switch for up here, as you can see. And right behind me is a mirror. Uh-oh. Sorry, I lost focus for a second there. Hold on. There we go. Hello. And as we walk into the main part of the room, there's Joseph laying in his bed right here. Hi, Joe. So anyways, as you can already tell, that's his bed. And over here is my bed. These are two queen-size beds. Right here is a door to a different room, and of course we're not going in there. Over here we have a flat screen TV. And we got a dresser for it. A little tiny shelf down here. There's my hat hanging there and some of my books there. So, there you go. Over here we have a work desk, as you can see. And over here, here's the chair for it. Got your hotel phone right here. Got another mirror as well. Hello. Here we have a lamp. Over here is the air conditioning system. Here's a nice comfortable chair, and there's a round table. There's a tall lamp right here. Here is the view of the hotel room. Now, I did do a hotel room tour in this hotel last year, but except this time the view in this room is much better, and because last year the only view we had was a bunch of palm trees, but it still wasn't bad. So yeah, so this is our view. Some clouds up in the sky, but it's a nice day out. Over here, here's the nightstand. There's the lamp. You got your alarm clock right here. It's actually 1:44 p.m. not a.m. as I'm recording this. It is Tuesday, February 20th, 2018 as I'm recording this. There's another hotel phone. Got some outlets for your computer, phone, or anything. Over here, here's a thermostat control, which is broken, not working. I don't know why, but it's not working. Anyways, now we're going to check out the bathroom here. Alright, so here is the bathroom. Here's another mirror, hello. Here is the sink. Over here we got your shampoo, conditioner, mouthwash, and body lotion. Got a bar of soap. Got some towels over here. Got some lamps. Got your hair dryer. Got some tissue paper. And yes, there's some of our hair products, which is ours, of course. Hair combs and all that. Down here we got some more towels. We got some washcloths, and we got bath and shower towels, as you can see. There's the toilet. There's the bathtub to it. And the shower, of course, very nice shower, very nice. Here's the floor towel that you put on the floor, of course, but as you can see, there's some other shampoo right here. I like that there's a light up on top of there. I think that's really nice. There's the air vent and another light, of course. So yeah, so what do you guys think of this room? I think it's really nice, even though we were here last year, but yeah, it's still nice. Though I like this hotel. Again, we're here at Daytona Beach, Florida. But yeah, so one more look at the bathroom. Alrighty. Oh, and there's this in order to hang your robe. Just take a look around real quick, see if I'm not missing anything. Yeah, of course the camera. Okay, there we go. Alright. Alright guys, well that's just about it. I didn't miss a thing. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel room tour here at the Holiday Inn LPGA here in Daytona Beach, Florida. So again, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I'm Zach Lumber, AK Magnum 05 here, and I will see you all later.